ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हो, आपने खुलकर बात की. Do you also feel pity for a lot of other celebrities who are not very up, coming in and talking about it?
There are many times I choose not to say anything. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर गल च मैं वड़ना ही है, कुछ कहना ही है. That's not required. To each his own.
I'll show you a photo. You have to react and share your memories about it. Of course.
Yes, of course. That's my father. Thank you. I lost my father in 1994, so it's been 31 years actually. This was one of his first pictures, I think, when he was just commissioned into the army. So he's I think a second lieutenant there. He's not even a captain by rank. He was not married then.
How do you, maintain that mental state to be in the peace? Because of course, you lost your father in a very young age.
I do believe that he lives through me and my sister. So happy to meet you today. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਬਣਾਤਾ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਇਹ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਕੌਰ and all, like too good. I love it. I'm very proud to know Punjabi. I love to know that I write Gurmukhi. I feel like these are things we should carry with us.
गुस्सा किस में आता है?
Punjabi.
हाँ.
Effective जो होता है ना.
तू रुक, तैने दस दी मैं हूँ, तू नहीं मरना. Dur fitte mu and all of that you come up with.
Dur fitte mu not so much. I'm a little more. इधर बहुत ही ठेठ हो जाता है मामला. जो अपन ऑफ कैमरा गल करेंगे.
Yeah, I know. There are days, of course, है ना, कोई तो भी होगा प्रोजेक्ट जो आपको मिला होगा या आपसे बात हुई होगी, then it don't happen the way we want to. How do you deal at that time? Like, are you somebody very chill about it?
I process it out very quickly. I don't let it fester in my mind or let it like sit with me for too long.
Jinadi Ladi et Tor, I have Nimrat Kaur welcoming you to Filmy Beat. How are you? I am Asiadi. किदा की हाल चाल?
मैं तो बस स्टंड है गया इस वेले, but I'm very well. Thank you very much. ए बड़ा ही यूनिक and अपने आप बहुत ही ओरिजिनल एक इंट्रोडक्शन सी.
Because we all have different tours in life.
Oh yes.
अपा हिंदी इंग्लिश पंजाबी जेड़ा होना हलवा बनाना है आज.
हाँ जी.
उसकी तो तारीफें की जाएंगी.
Yeah.
लेकिन कुल में you're playing Indrani.
Yes.
How do you feel? How royal are you feeling on that? Because a lot of royal things going on in the nation right now.
Yeah, actually, why you feel drawn to something like this is because of all the paraphernalia and the saris, pearls, jewels. It's like an adult life fairy tale, you see, to play a royal and to kind of be waltzing around in these palaces and all of that. But what really drew me to the heart of the character was how fractured she really is inside, and how she's actually looking for her identity through different characters, sometimes her brother, sister, husband. She's in a lavender marriage. She wants to be the ideal everything, the daughter, sister, daughter-in-law, queen. And eventually you find her in a place where she's absolutely unhinged. She winds up in a place which is so dark and just so disturbed that she really just loses everything she's probably built in her life. So I find that character, very engaging for that reason, where the optics and the exterior is something, and then when you just scratch the surface, everything is just mayhem.
निम्रत, ऑल्सो यू आर अ पर्सनैलिटी जिसने ना अपने कैरेक्टर्स को एक दिशा दी है. यू आर नॉट समबडी यू विल चूज अ कैरेक्टर एंड डू इट. यू विल थिंक ऑन दैट. यू विल बी लाइक, माई कैरेक्टर हैज़ टू डू समथिंग, बी इट अ स्मॉल और अ बिग कैरेक्टर. दैट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग, है ना. स्क्रीन टाइम कितना है, दैट इज़ नॉट अ थिंग यू आर कंसर्न ऑफ, बट अदरवाइज इट हैज़ टू हैव अ मीनिंग. इज़ योर एजेंडा, आई फील दैट. Is it a thing with you? Like you take a time and then think कि मैं एक कारण है कि ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ नहीं.
मैं किड़ी भाषा च पहला ते जवाब देवां थोड़ा. शुरुआत अंग्रेजी, फिर आंदी आ हिंदी, फिर एंड में थोड़ा पंजाबी.
I guess that will be happening throughout this interview, but we have
ट्रेन थोड़ी मतलब लंदन तो यूपी तो बठिंडे,
Ambala, Delhi, then Mumbai it landed, no?
So see, I'll tell you what happens is when I read a script, okay, I get drawn to the story first. And if it's a story that I want to watch on screen, that is my first and foremost requirement. And then when I read my part within that, that has to speak to me instantly. What I make of it is my thing. Like sometimes when we go and have Italian food, we know that there's a little drizzle of some truffle oil or something. It's just a drizzle, but the aftertaste is that truffle oil, है ना? It's a very English example, but it's something that just came to my mind. what happens is when I read a part, it's not about ये कितना लंबा है या 1 मीटर लंबा है या आधा मीटर या पौना इंच या क्या, वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना. The thing is कि मैं उसका क्या बनाऊँ, मैं आपके दिमाग में या दिल में कैसे एक जगह छोड़ जाऊँ कि आपको वो याद रहे फिर, है ना, आपको कहानी याद रहे, आपको याद रहे कि अरे हाँ इसने वो भी किया है, इसने वो भी किया है. मुझे इसमें मज़े आते हैं. आई एन्जॉय दैट अ लॉट. एक एडवेंचर सा लगता है फिर कुछ. फिर चाहे बड़ा ही दुखद टाइप हो, ड्रामा सीन्स हो या एक्शन हो या कॉमेडी हो, मुझे ना बस स्वाद लेना है पार्ट्स का. और मेरे हिसाब से कई बारी सारी फिल्म में, हर फिल्म में अगर आप भी हो ना, तो भी लोग याद नहीं रखते. आपको याद क्यों है वो लेंथ के हिसाब से नहीं है कि एक पूरा थान लंबा पार्ट था या रुमाल लंबा था. आपको याद रहेगा उसका टेक्सचर कि कैसा फील किया, आपको दिमाग में हंसी आ जाएगी या आपको दुख होगा सोच के कि हाय ऐसा कुछ लगेगा. तो आपके अंदर वो इमोशंस अगर जनरेट होते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो पार्ट्स मुझे एक्साइट करते हैं ऑलवेज. और भले ये एड फिल्म से व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड बॉम्बे में, तो एड फिल्म्स हो या म्यूजिक वीडियो या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स हो, मैंने हर बार अपना प्रिंसिपली रिक्वायरमेंट और एक वो टिक बॉक्सेस होते हैं ना, दोज हैव बीन द सेम ओनली.
अब ऑल्सो आई गेस टू कम्युनिटीज ऑफ इंडिया रिलीजियसली अगर हम देखें, पंजाबी एंड मुस्लिम पीपल, दे आर दी फॉरमोस्ट कम्युनिटी जो अपनी भाषा नहीं छोड़ते हैं ना. दे ऑल्सो लर्न बेसिक्स ऑफ उर्दू, अरेबिक, नमाज वमाज पढ़ने के लिए, या तमाम चीज़ें. और पंजाबी तो कहीं चले जाएं पूरे वर्ल्ड में, वो तो पंजाबी बचपन से सिखाते ही हैं अपने बच्चों को. दे मेक श्योर दैट दे आर टॉकिंग इन पंजाबी, है ना, नो मैटर. वो बात अलग है, फिर हमारी अंग्रेज़ी और थोड़ी हिंदी टूटी फूटी हो जाती है. आई रिमेंबर कल ना मेरे घर पे सिलेंडर ख़त्म हो गया एंड आई एम ट्राइंग कि कुछ तो होगा भाई, है ना, वाई इट इज़ नॉट बर्निंग. तो आई एम ट्राइंग, तो माई फ्रेंड सेड तू ना अपनी साइंस ना ला. So we don't say science. So he said me science. So it is like that. But how did you maintain of having a command over different languages and maintaining the roots within you?
Well, very nice question, Adi. The thing is ना कि मैं देखो, पहली बात तो मैं पटियाला पढ़ी हुई हूँ, ठीक है, यादविंद्र पब्लिक स्कूल पटियाला. So what happened? You like that?
YPS and all that. Yes, by number the Fatak.
Oh my God! You know?
Of course, I know that.
How do you know by number Fatak?
Because I've been in RJ, Dukh Nivaran Sahib Gurdwara.
Of course.
I've been there for a year.
How nice. So Patiala, I've stayed in like for 4-5 years altogether. How nice.
8 बजे बंद हो जाता है, वो बात अलग है, लेकिन ठीक है.
आजकल भी, like even now. Still. So anyway, I studied in YPS Patiala. So my third language was Punjabi, and my Nana ji and I used to write letters to each other in Punjabi.
अरे वाह.
तो फिर मैंने ना लिखनी पढ़नी आती है. So वो एक बारी अपनी एक हैबिट जी बन जाती है, then you can't forget it. तो ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਉਦੋਂ ਆਂਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ. I love speaking in Punjabi with people. So when I go to Punjab or when I'm shooting somewhere where people speak Punjabi, I feel so happy. I'm so happy to meet you today. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਬਣਾਤਾ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਇਹ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਕੌਰ and all, like too good. I love it. ਆਪਣਾ ਨਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਖੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਵੀ ਨਾ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਬੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ. I'm very proud to know Punjabi. I love to know that I write Gurmukhi. I feel like these are things we should carry with us, because not many of us, care for our mother tongues, whatever it is,
True.
Whatever it might be, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, जो भी है, अपनी मतलब mother tongue संभाल के रखनी है, So I feel very good about that. And when I'm playing different parts on screen, it's mostly been dialect coaching a little bit, not really very different languages. I've acted in English, but I've studied in English, so I can think in both languages, English, Hindi and Punjabi.
पर गुस्सा किसमें आता है?
Punjabi.
हाँ?
Effective जो होता है ना.
तो रुक, तैने दस दी मैं हूँ, तू नहीं मरना. Dur fete mu and all of that you come up with? Dur
fete mu not so much. I'm a little more. इधर बहुत ही ठेठ हो जाता है मामला जो ਆਪਾਂ ऑफ कैमरा गल करांगे.
I know.
But गुस्सा ते पंजाबी जी आंदा है, गुस्सा एंड दुख
दोनों ही.
हाँ.
अच्छा, try also in Punjabi. मेरे नाल बड़ा भैड़ा होया इदां दा.
Like हाँ, yes.
We are doing it right away and then thinking, is it a thing?
But it's a thing. Your mother tongue is a thing, na?
Yeah.
लाइक वही होता है ना कि किसी आदमी को एग्जैक्टली पता करना हो ना कि कहाँ का, उसको गुस्सा दिला दो, फट से समझ में आ जाएगा कहाँ से हो.
That is true.
Yeah.
But apart from your, good projects, अच्छी भाषा पे पकड़, तरह तरह की जगहों पे जाना, घूमना and all of that, but still, being पंजाबी so पंजाबी, हम खुले दिल से अपने जो बात है हर मुद्दे पे वो भी रखते हैं, है ना, हम उनके लिए जाने भी जाते हैं. कुछ नहीं, देश में कुछ भी हो रहा, सबसे पहले पंजाबी आगे खड़े होंगे.
हाँ जी.
चाहे
very proud of that.
है ना, एंड यू बीन लाइक दैट. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हो, आपने खुलकर बात की. डू यू ऑल्सो फील पिटी फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ अदर सेलिब्रिटीज हु आर नॉट वेरी अप, coming in and talking about it?
I actually have no opinion on it, honestly, because I'll tell you one thing, Adi, it's very easy to sit in our position and have a judgment on the other person. And I have been on that side also, where people have a judgment on what I should say, not say. So I think it's best कि अपना अपना करिए, whatever is right. There are many times I choose not to say anything. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर गल च मैं वड़ना ही है, कुछ कहना ही है. That's not required. To each his own. I have the right to say something when I wish to. Just as I have the right to remain silent when I wish to. And I think silence sometimes is better than saying something volatile, unnecessary, and ill-informed. I would rather be silent when I don't have anything. See, I have an army background. I have a personal history with, the armed forces, and I'll always belong there. My roots are there. So it's something that's natural for me. It's not something, which is an opportunity or anything of that sort. That's basically, the answer.
ठीक है. I'll show you a photo. You have to react and share your memories about it. Of course.
Yes, of course. That's my father. Thank you.
And you posted, I guess, कुछ साल पहला. It's been 30 years in total when you posted about it.
Yeah, I lost my father in 1994, so it's been 31 years actually, yes. This was one of his first pictures, I think, when he was just commissioned into the army. So he's I think a second lieutenant there. He's not even a captain by rank. He was not married then.
Oh, he was not?
No, he was not married then. This is him very young. He's like in his 20s here.
And of course.
Yes, this is my father's Shaurya Chakra. This, in fact, Papa was Papa was awarded this on my birthday. Well, it wasn't so pleasant because we had lost him, and
that was the thing. Yes.
Yeah, so it was a strange coincidence because we had lost him in Kashmir on January 23rd, and that same year on my birthday, absolutely coincidentally, my mama had gone to the Rashtrapati Bhavan to receive this posthumously, as it's called, after his death, for his bravery in the line of duty.
इसमें कौन-कौन है?
That's Papa,
yes,
and me and my younger sister Rubina. So this is in Kashmir. So ये photograph उस घर की है जहाँ पे हम लोग last we had been together as a family. This is all 1990.
Yes.
This is actually 1993. This is a photograph from the summer of 1993.
This is you?
No, that's me. That's my younger sister Rubina.
Okay.
Very sweet. Good memories.
But I guess, it is a thing. I've been discussing this to my people also, that it's very difficult to see your parents getting old and seeing them, they become bachas by then. Of course. And बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है फिर उनको समझाना चीज़ों को लेकर. I remember my father called me last day and he's like, why have you done this? Why have you not, do this and all that? Like, Papa, I've just come home. Let me sleep. I'll call you and all that. But then I realized कि नहीं यार, I have to just call him right away and then I'll do other stuff. So I've called him, and of course I was researching about your things, making no. So you being somebody, inspirations to many, how do you, maintain that mental state to be in the peace? Because of course, you lost your father in a very young age.
Yeah. So I mean, that is a part of life which one has to deal with.
Yes.
And I do believe that he lives through me and my sister. He continues to live through us.
Yes.
And what I can do is to just live my life in the best way possible, with my conscience clear, and do the best that I can with my life, my career choices, my life choices, and hopefully do him proud wherever he is.
जब भी छुट्टी मिलती है, how Punjabi are you that way? Like, what do you all eat? Or it is like more of because you know we have to maintain our skin, diet, and all that.
You know, I feel like the Punjabi household diet and food is the best for your skin and hair and health and mental health.
Mental health is the must.
Best. Because you go home, you have some nice pranthe with some nice white butter, and you have ghar da baniya khana, you know, and we have simple food. It's not like butter chicken, all of this is very Delhi concepts.
Yes.
Growing up in Punjab, I actually haven't had all these things. The concept of butter chicken was new to me.
Yeah.
So we've grown up, you know, just the way vegetables are made or dals are made. It's all very simple. It's just nice, clean North Indian food. Desi ghee mein bana hua, you know, things like that. So that's just food for the soul. Rajma chawl, kadi chawl, all that lovely
But
stuff.
do you even cook, like, or you just?
I cook, but I don't like to cook so much because I live alone. So I don't like to cook only for myself. But I can make rajma really well.
But you never go and feel like chachu bhi. Are you a
Ah, of course, yes. I make my tea in the morning. That's a proper ritual. Like for half an hour, I make my tea.
है ना?
Yeah.
That has to be a thing. Otherwise, I don't pick up calls before that.
Oh.
I'm like, I'll finish this, then I'll pick up every call and see what I'm supposed to do in the whole.
Everything is happening simultaneously for me because I wake up early. So if I wake up too early, then I call my sister in the US. I call her, and if she's also not around, then I'll call my mom in sometimes. So I'm always like doing different things.
आज सूरज है ना? शाम भी होगी, रात भी होगी. Of course, you are somebody जो मैंने mention भी किया. Take times to say yes to projects, right? And thinks of कि it has to have a meaning. So there are days, of course, है ना? कोई तो भी होगा project जो आपको मिला होगा या आपसे बात हुई होगी, then it don't happen the way we want to. How do you deal at that time? Like, are you somebody very chill about it?
I process it out very quickly. I don't let it fester in my mind or let it like sit with me for too long. I let that cloud pass, you know, because if there is a cloud that comes, I'm very aware that okay, this is not my entire life. This is just something that's just come and it's going to leave. So I'm very aware of that and I process it very quickly. Yeah.
अगर आप एक्टर ना होते तो क्या होते?
I think मैं कुछ travel industry में करती पक्का. Like travel journalist or like a travel
Journalist
something.
should never be. Never any journalist.
तो चलो travel host हो क्या?
हाँ, that is.
है ना? Travel host. Travel journalist तो पता नहीं होता भी क्या है. कुछ नहीं होता. Travel host. Yeah, travel show में कुछ करती.
On TVs and all.
हाँ यार और कहाँ? मतलब रेडियो पे थोड़ी करूँगी.
नहीं, radio पे भी there are people doing that.
कौन से people यार?
They talk, RJs comes and they talk about their travel histories that we've traveled to this place, you should go there and all of that. I have done it for 2.5 years.
I would very happily do it on TV.
But still you want cameras, no?
It's not for the cameras, it's just something that I love doing. And since you asked me what else I would do, I think I would do a combination of the two things.
Never thought of becoming entrepreneur and having something
I don't
else.
think I have a business streak in me. I think I'm too deeply and inherently an artist and an actor. I think somewhere you need a good business sense and your mindset is very different. It's a different story if I come in collaboration with somebody who wants to, you know, then that's a different story. But I feel at this point in time at least, you know, maybe later things change, who knows. But right now I'm very happy.
Otherwise Punjabi ਦਾ business is only, you know, ਕੜੀ ਚੌੜਾ ਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਖਾ ਲੋ ਤੇ ਬਣਾ ਦੋ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਲੜ pizza and all of that. Have you seen those reels going crazy in Punjab? Kullad pizza and all of that.
Kullad pizza?
Yeah, a lot of
What's
things have
that?
come in Punjab and spoiling it. Momos were steamed before when they came to
ਹੁਣ
Punjab.
deep fry
Then
करते.
deep fry करता पा.
पकौड़े बनाते, मोमो दे पकौड़े, मोमो दी कड़ी.
Yes.
है ना?
Oh my God. But with that, thank you so much
Oh,
for
thank
talking
you.
to us. And we have taken a quick journey recap of yours.
Yes.
And I wish you luck. Tell me what else in your bucket list we have.
Well, we'll meet then because we do have a lot of things coming up work-wise. Hopefully, I'll travel somewhere new soon because I really I'm itching to go take a nice trip somewhere soon. But for now, please watch.
But you can post the vlogs of that, no? If you are very up.
Vlogs. I like to take a place in, you know, ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜਾਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. You know, when I travel, I just like to switch off, you know, just look at the birds and the sky and the trees.
Last 3 go-to places in Punjab.
ਹਾਂਜੀ
3 go-to places in Punjab.
3 ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ, right, Golden Temple, ਹਰਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ. ਫਿਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਟਿਆਲੇ. I am very, very attached to Patiala. I love Patiala. फिर हो गया चंडीगढ़,
Chandigarh.
Hmm.
Of course.
3 शहर. Yes.
Yes, with that, thank you. It was
Thank
lovely
you.
talking to you.
Thank you so
and
much.
we wish you, I guess love is immensely coming to you in your way. That is so true. You're looking very royal. It
Please watch the show.
Swords also it has. You have.
Swords, well, I use some part of a sword at some point, but you have to watch the show for that.
That is true. I'm making sure that I'm going and watching it today only.
Yes, and let us know. Let me
Yes,
know
yes,
what you
yes.
think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Such a pleasure. Thank you.